Want to install Pikashow on your TCL Android TV but confused about the process? I'll show you the complete step-by-step method to download and install it successfully in just 2 minutes. First, go to your TV settings, then navigate to Security and Restrictions. Find the Unknown Sources option and enable it. This allows you to install applications from outside the Google Play Store. Also make sure to enable Install Unknown Apps for your web browser. Now open your web browser and visit the official Pikashow website. Download the latest APK version, specifically designed for Android TV. Make sure you download the correct file. Look for the Android TV compatible version to ensure smooth performance on your TCL television. Once downloaded, open the APK file and click on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, open Pikashow application. Grant all necessary permissions, including storage and network access. Now you're ready to stream all your favorite movies, TV shows, and live channels in high quality. If you face any issues during installation, check your TV's storage space first. Ensure you have stable internet connection throughout the process. If the APK doesn't install, try downloading it again or check if your TV needs a restart. Sometimes clearing browser cache can also help resolve download issues. That's the complete guide. Now enjoy unlimited entertainment on your TCL Android TV with Pikashow. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides.